going to learn folding paper in a plane. First we fold the paper into two parts. Open the paper. The middle line is important. Fold again like a triangle. Also another part just the same, but they have to reach the middle line. After that, fold again like the same but different cause of the length. Just do as the same on the previous line. Make it accurate and the lines have to be the same. Change the paper. Fold the upper part like a triangle, just a small triangle. Join the lines together from the other side, not the same side as the one you made a triangle. Fold it again. The lines have to be together, like on the same line and similar lines. They have to be accurate. Fold it again on the other side. Now the plane is made. After this, now you can fly your planes outside the house.
tugiye kwiga iki gukora indege n'iki mu mpapuro. Mwese munyere ku rupapuro.